Welcome back to my trading channel, and in this video I'm going to show you the exciting indicator which is completely free, and this indicator is based on the order blocks. So guys, if you look at this indicator, this is very exciting because this indicator has given a lot of beautiful and a lot of accurate signals from the different levels, and in this video I will tell you that what about this indicator, that how you can use this indicator for your profitable trading. So when we talk about this indicator is basically developed on the approach of pivot points, okay, and it uses some sort of candle patterns as well, and you can see a very sweet reversals from the order blocks, and that is why this indicator is very good, that if you are going to use it with the smart trading, if you are going to take a smart risk, then this indicator is for you. And I will highlight you how you can increase your win rate just by using this free indicator setup. So before I jump into this video, guys, please visit my website fxmentorus.com. First of all, for all you guys, I have put the best broker, forex and crypto broker banner on my website. This is the broker that I'm using from 2015. This one is regulated, honest, and provides you fast quality deposits and withdrawal methods. Okay, so that's why I use this broker very much. And if you just visit my website, there are three indicators listed on my site. Okay, so the first one is the trending moving average. This is the basic indicator for the beginners. Okay, my professional indicator is the bank buying and selling indicator. Okay, and you can find all details here. And the third one is the swing trading guru, that provides you swing rides and that's straightforward bullish and bearish signals. And the last thing that I provide to my subscribers is the 1 hour market maker coaching. So what is market maker? It's very simple. I teach my students how banks trades and what are the key levels and the key factors where banks are supposed to take their buy and sell positions. If you go on to that page, you will see that my students are making a good amount of money every day, and I have posted a lot of reviews about them on my website. So please visit fxmentorus.com, and if you want to book our private indicators, you can use the contact us option, and you can contact on Telegram. You can also email us. Now let's coming back to the point, and we are going to reattach these indicators so that you can use these indicators. So here we need to write turk pivot. Okay, so when you write turk pivot on trading view, that this indicator will come, that is called turk pivot candle order blocks by Turk Sharik, and you can see this indicator has received 394 likes so far. So you can definitely use this indicator for your profitable trading, because these order blocks that you can see in the green and red color, they are basically the pivot levels, and they which are donated in the form of green and red order blocks. Okay, now if you look at this areas, these are the special areas where institutions, big banks, and financial authorities are going to do some sort of activity at these levels. For example, as you have seen from the red area, that this was basically a institutional bank level, so you can see the price was rejected from that level. So that was the point where actually price has reacted something and the price was dropped. So these levels will be very useful in finding the reactions from the institutions. Like for example, if you look at the euro CAD 5-minute chart, then you can see it is rejected from the pivot level. Okay, now how, because if you just look at this indicator, there are some fake signals as well. So how we can make sure that this signal is right for our trading? So how to improve the profitability? That is why I'm going to the indicator section again, and here I will write bullish engulfing. Okay, so when you write bullish engulfing, then this indicator will come in the list that is called bearish bullish engulfing auto detect. Okay, the name of the author is CryptoStang23, and you can see this is kind of a new indicator, and that has only 81 likes so far. So you can simply join this indicator completely for free. Now you can see what this indicator has done. This indicator has changed the color into the yellow color candles. Okay, so this is the main point of interest for us. Okay, now what we are going to do is, Like for example, let's take an example from this red order block, then not from this because that was not reversed from here. Okay, I'm just okay, look at this. This is the good example that I'm going to show you. Now you can see the market comes into the red order block, that was pivot red order block, and then you can see it has provided you a yellow candle, and that was the bearish candle. It means that this is the market can reverse from here. That's the bearish engulfing candle. So that was the second confirmation. The first confirmation was the red order block by pivot, and the second confirmation is the bearish engulfing candle that is denoted into the yellow color. And guys, then you can see the price was simply reversed. Okay, there are few yellow color candles in the middle. You don't have to give any grass to these candles, because you are only looking for the bullish and bearish engulfing candles right from the order block. So for example, I'm going to switch my time frame to 1 hour, and let's see what's going on here. Okay, now you can see this is the green order block. Okay, now you can see this is the green order block. You have a bullish yellow engulfing candle. Now you can see price is up, and when it went into the red bearish order block, then you get a bearish engulfing candle. You can see price is down. Okay, now guys, basically this indicator, these levels that you can see in green and red color, they are acting as a support and resistance, and these levels are based on the pivot points. So you can simply improve your accuracy, but just by finding out the bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing, because this is the most interesting content for our traders, because they on the bearish and bullish engulfing patterns, most of the traders make a good amount of money, and you can see this method is actually working. Okay, only few places, like for example, we don't have a bullish engulfing here, but this is quite fine. I mean, not from all the levels, but overall generally you will at least get something. Like for example, look at this green level. Okay, and you get a bullish engulfing 2 times from here. So this is the quality. If you are going to use this system in a proper way, then no one can stop you from making the profits into the forex, cryptos, and the stock trading market, right? And moreover guys, if you want to book my private indicators, or you want to join the best broker, the link is here. And if you want to join, get my private indicators, come to Telegram, and you can also email us. If you like this strategy, please press the like button, subscribe, and share.